Krueger's project scope was to work closely with the client to define a detailed trailer specification. Krueger's was set the challenge of meeting a fixed timeline to complete all the equipment to meet Linfox's expectations.
Morning all.
Out of top fit, Linfox 20,815.
20741, Linfox was 80%.
And 28771 for Linfox.
The side barriers for 43, 44 and 45 for Linfox Harris. Other than that, have a good day. Thank you all.
Krueger purpose designed and built a large quantity of curtain-sided trailers through its local state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. Krueger's curtain siders were designed and built with heavy-duty rear frames, solid steel dock impact protection, double reinforced gussets to reinforce the rear frame, patented forklift barrier system allows you to rear load, and it also allows you to side unload. Krueger worked with several suppliers, both locally and abroad, with all players engaged to achieve the best equipment solution and include all the latest technology. Krueger facilitated the importation of over 150 German-built world-class freezer units into Australia.
They'll organise the rigs, so basically see those blue pads on the corner? They'll get connected up to that as well, and then the pads will just go along the side.
So we're going to put some seals around the edge here, just to protect those hoses as well.
The Schmidt's freezer vans were designed and built with a dynamic ramp protection system, which was designed to absorb the impact of rear dock loading and protect the integrity of the freezer box.
Krueger A rollback, impressive piece of equipment, motor and batteries operated through the Anderson plug.
Oh yeah, so the whole charging system's on the inside of the chassis? Yeah, perfect.
Monumental effort by everyone, Thermo King, Cool Tracks, Schmidt's, even they've sent crew across to our place. You know, even from the shipping side of things to everyone. And probably no one will appreciate, like, you know, the guys that are on the ground doing it truly appreciate because we know everything that's going on.
Like even from the other guys going, oh, no one even know we've done this.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, I think they were